Hello students, today we are going to solve exercise 1.3 NCERT. See, the first question is write the decimal form of 36 by 100. We know that is, if you are just dividing this number by any 10 or multiples of 10, it will be just the number of zeros, the point will be just shifted to from right to left, that number of digit also. That is, two zeros are there, 2 digit after it will be just getting the point, that is the decimal form. If it is 1 by 11, see, it can be just divided in this way, then it is coming 0909 repeatedly. It will just go on. So we are just talking about, this is the call repetition just going on. This is non-terminating and repeating number, and this is actually called recurring, 0.09 recurring. 09, actually this 0909 it will come. Another point, number 3 is 4 whole 1 by 8. It has come 4 plus 1 by 8 is 0.125, that is 4.125. Now try to understand that one. Which one is actually terminating, which one is non-terminating. See, if the denominator is equal to 2 to the power m into 5 to the power n, if it is the factor of 2 and 5 only, then those rational number or fractions are terminating number. Other than this, it will be non-terminating. So you can just think in the very initial stage whether it will be terminating or non-terminating, just after going to get through that is the denominator, that is factor of denominator. See here, 2 cube, 8 means 2 cube is there. That is, this number of decimals will be also coming after three digits. That is 1, 2, 3. It will be just terminating after 3 points. So here is another indicator, that is how many digits it will be terminated, after how many digits it will be terminated. This is actually the power of the maximum power of 2 and 5. If it is, suppose I am just giving you 50 is the denominator, maybe this is 2, so it is coming 2, and 50 is coming 5 square into 2, that is 2. After 2 digit it will be just coming to the, that is your decimal. Then you can also just do it like this. Suppose 2 into 2 over here, and it is coming 2, so it has come, say 4 by 10 square. 10 square means 100, that is 0.04 is coming. You can calculate in this way. Next question is, this is very good question. Number 2, that is 1 by 7 equal to 0.142857, and this is actually the recurring one. Can you predict 2 by 7, 3 by 7, 4 by 7, 5 by 7 and 6 by 7 without actual division? There are two processes. Suppose 1 by 7 equal to this one, no? Actually, this is just actual division is like this, and this is actually the recurring number. Whenever these recurring numbers are coming like this, so in this form, this recurring number means it will just come once again, no? It is just cyclic order. So we are just putting all this number in the cyclic order. So suppose 1422857. Now arrange the number in the cyclic order in clockwise division, direction. We are just thinking in this way. Now we are just first way you can just do it, as because 1 by 7 is this, then 2 by 7 it will be multiplied by 2. In this way you can find out. 3 is multiplied by 1 by 7 in this way. But in the very smart way you can do it. See, 2 by 7 is actually 20 by 7 is coming 2, no? Starting point is 0.2, no? Start from 0.2, that is 2. That is then 85714. That is 0.285714. So use this cyclic picture, then you will get the answer. In this way, 3 by 7 is 3 into 1 by 7, you can find out with the multiplying of this number. But smart way is 3 is, that is 30 by 7, that is 0.4 is starting from 4. Just take starting from 4. That is 428571. 428571. In this way you can also calculate this 4, that is 40 by 7 means it is coming start from 5, no, 0.5, it starts from 0.5 and then cyclic order. In this way you can find it out. In this way 5 also and 6 also. This is a very smart way you can find it out. Otherwise you have to do like this, that is 6 into 1 by 7, and this is also 5 into 1 by 7, and another way, and this is 3 into 1 by 7. You have to multiply all these things. Otherwise you can just find it out in like this in the cyclic order. One is number 3. Express the following in the form of P by Q, where P and Q are integers and Q is not equal to 0. See, 0.6 recurring. Recurring means repetition. That is actually let x equal to this. This means 0.6666 it will explode. Now multiply both sides with 10. So it has come 6.6666 like this it will go on. And split this into 6 plus 0.666. And this once again this is also x. So 6 plus x equal to this, and if it is just coming over there 9 minus x equal to 9x equal to 6, then x equal to 2 by 3. Next number, 2 digit recurring. Let this is x. Once again this multiply this one with 100, it will be 47, 47, 47, 47 like this. Just split this 47 into this, that is 47, 47 plus 0.4747, and this part is actually x. Put this x, that is 99x equal to 47, then x equal to 47 by 99. Next one. See here, number 4. Express 0.9999 in the form of P by Q. Once again the same way we are just putting this, because this is recurring number. X equal to this, then 10x equal to 9.999, and this is actually the value of this equal to x. So 9x equal to 9, then x equal to 1. See here, this is 1 point which is not equivalent to 1. So it has come, this is 1. Now you can conclude like this, and you can also express another way also. I am just taking another problem over here for you. That is 4.9 recurring. I am just taking this x as this, and this is actually 4.9999. Multiply this with 10, that is 49.999, and then split into 45 plus 4.999 once again, and just this is actually x once again. This is x, put x over here. X will be coming over here, 9x, 10x minus x, 9x. 9x equal to 45, then x equal to 5. See, 4.9 recurring also equivalent to 5. Now we can conclude that any integer we can write in the form of a rational number with non-repeating and non-terminating and a decimal number. Non-terminating repeating decimal number. That is, any number you can just take, any integer you can form like this. Next one. A is given. Suppose you have to just find out in the form of decimal, and how many places the decimal will terminate, you have to just find out. Suppose 2 by 5. It will be terminating because I have already just mentioned, that is, if the denominator is in the power of 2 to the power m into 2 to the power n, or 5 to the power n, or single, only 2 to the power m or 5 to the power m. If the denominator is like this, so it will be terminated. Other than this, it will never terminate. See here, 2 by 5 is also like this. This is 5, that is, if power is 1, so 1 digit it will be just going to for this decimal. If it is also 10, even 2 power 1 and 1, this is also the same, that is 1 digit it will be just going to terminate. This 16 is 2 to the power 4, that is the point, that is decimal will be terminated after 4 digit. So it has come like this. So in this way you can find out how many digits is after that it will be terminated. Number 7 is asked for, just mention 3 irrational numbers, that is irrational numbers which is non-repeating and non-terminating. See here, root 2, root 3 and root 7. It is actually non-repeating and non-terminating also. It will just go on and go on. 1.41421 like this. Root 3 also 1.73205 like this. Root 7 is also 2.645751 and it will just go on. So all these are irrational numbers. In this way you can find all sort of irrational numbers and you can also compute all the irrational numbers on the number line. Thank you very much.